So sometimes when we upgrade Photoshop, it forgets how to open the PSD files. You can see that Windows does know that it's a Photoshop image, but it doesn't have the PS icon next to it. You don't want to open this and then save it as a text file because that'll wipe it out. But if you right click on this, you can choose Open With, and we can teach the app how to open this up. We can tell Windows that Photoshop should always open PSD files. You don't want it to open all files, just Photoshop files. If Photoshop doesn't show up on this list, you can go to More Apps and look for it on this list. If it still doesn't show up, you simply look for an app on this PC. It's pretty easy to find because it's an Adobe program. So you go to the Adobe folder, find Adobe Photoshop, and then scroll down in this folder to the actual application called Photoshop. When you click Open, it will change the icon from a Notepad blank icon to this blue PS Photoshop icon. And that will allow it to open up in the new version of Photoshop. Right now we just upgraded to 2024, and many students had this happen to them. It's happened before, and it may happen again. So this is how you fix that.